It's like what laces. And this Hey guys, it's your girl Amanda here with another wig review video on this hair on YSwigs. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, and if you're new, welcome. This hair is from YSwigs.com. It'll be linked down below with all the specs and everything, and I'll be telling y'all what I think. See the install from the beginning to the end, so let's get to it. Okay guys, this is the hair. I got this hair from YSwigs.com about 2 months ago before my Colorado trip. So this is a frontal. This is how the inside is. Has the 2 clips on the side, one inside in the middle and then one in the back. And I washed this and conditioned it like a month ago. I haven't worn it in like a month. So we're gonna try and make her look decent. I don't know what to name her. Guys, comment down below what I should name this wig. I need to start wearing her more. And then it has a side part. So I'm gonna put this on. Show you guys how my wig cap and my wig grip on. Let's try to spray it with some water. Guys, look at these curls, okay? Poppin'. Popping, okay? And I use this cheap Cantu leave-in conditioner to just to make the curls stay. I just use a little bit, like this much for the whole wig. And just massage it, crunch it up. I love these curls. And then I use, okay, never mind. So I don't have any mousse. I haven't worn this hair in so long, I forgot that I ran out. But usually I'll put like a little bit of mousse in it too, just to like have it like for real stay, but these curls are gonna stay. Okay. Hopefully, let me angle this. You guys can see. Really. Okay. Okay, guys. Clearly, my tripod wants to act up today. I got little technical difficulties. I took off the wrap. I probably had it on for like 8 minutes-ish. I have this hair sticking out, but before I deal with that, I'm just gonna use my hot comb and make it a little bit flatter. I don't really like to use a hot comb on curly hair, but this was already plugged in. I usually use my curling wand, but that's in my other bathroom. I'll just use this side. Okay, and I'm just using this to flatten out the top. Edge control. Gonna use, what am I gonna use? I'm just gonna use water actually. Use my water. And then just to scoop this. Oop. I'm terrible at baby hairs. Terrible at baby hairs, guys. I'll have to go to another YouTuber for that. But I'm just doing a little loop, y'all can see. And usually wearing it like half up, half down, like that. I just want to show y'all this lace though, HD lace. This, it's like what lace is, and this was me doing my hair myself. Oh, put a little edge control here, but a little bit too much got to be, but like I got this hair professionally done on my Colorado trip. So I wish y'all could see the frontal lace. I'm not really good at frontals. I'm more of a closure girl because I can't get the sides down. So when I do my hair myself, I wear my frontals like my closures because I'm lazy. That's why I wear wigs. But yo, what lace? Okay, what lace though? Like what? Like this is stuck. Okay, what lace? Try to really look at this HD lace. Okay, great for beginners. Great for beginners. I'm just gonna leave it down though. Great for beginners. Like, I love this hair. Look at those curls. Like I said before, they're popping natural curls. Tell me what y'all think. I love this hair though. Like 10 out of 10, great quality. It's soft, it's thick, the thickness is perfect. Yeah, see, I can't do the thing, but I can't do the frontals, but you know, we just gonna pretend, fake it till you make it, you feel me? But I love this hair, guys. Like, I don't really have much to say. Like, I don't wear this hair often because I don't know, I've been wearing the straight black wig from YSwigs that I did a review on a few months ago. I've been wearing that as an everyday wig, but I love this hair. Tell me what y'all think down below. It's the specs on this hair. Forgot to tell you. Specs on this hair is 22 inches. I got this on their flash sale, 22 inches, so it's like, I'm 5'7", it's like past my boobs here. Natural black, of course. I was gonna get a jet black. I might dye it jet black another day. HD lace, I got that in light brown. I think they have transparent, light brown, and medium brown. It was like $220 for this hair, so it was on sale for Christmas, I believe. No complaints. I might give you guys a like 2-month review, like if I wear this hair more, to if anything changes, but so far so good. Yeah, it's beautiful. So please like and subscribe this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see y'all in another one.